He's back. What's up, cat? Knew it. Bird. What are you doing, Bird?
I was getting ready to knock on your door and let you know that Bird was on your car. Don't scare him.
Yeah.
He'll scratch it all up.
I know. As long as he stays, he's not gonna scratch it. But if he moves, looks like he's eating something. Turn the light on. It's kind of hard to see him with the light outside. Well, that did wonders. Hey, I'm just going past the car. Okay? No, I'm not. Just stay. I'm not gonna do anything. You're a nice bird. You're a nice pretty bird. I'm just walking past you, okay? Okay? Hello, bird. There. Get off my roof. Why did you do this? It's like the 90th time I've seen you do this. Why are you here? Where are you going? You've shat on the car. You've shat on the car! Asshole bird.